asking, is AgNO3 soluble in water? Okay, so for this actually, these are unfortunately things you kind of have to memorize. There's a giant solubility sheet, but the biggest hint I will tell you here is that most, if not all things, combine with nitrate, which is what this ion is. This is a nitrate ion. Okay, that is NO3 minus. Most things combined with nitrate ion are going to be soluble in water. That is really the trick to this question. Some salts are insoluble in water. They just really have a really low, as we discussed earlier, KSP, which indicates its solubility. But exactly, if you're any metal really combined with nitrate, you're most likely, if not, going to be soluble. Okay, so actually, if we even search here, actually, nitrates not soluble. Which nitrates are not soluble? What do we get? Salts containing nitrate ions and generally soluble. Yeah. In fact, they literally can't give us an example of something that's not soluble with nitrate. In fact, I'm going to actually expand this page here. Go down over to the NO3 part. Yep. They can't literally think of anything that would make it insolubleness with a nitrate. So I guess that's something you have to memorize, but that would be your biggest hint. If you see a nitrate ion, it's going to be soluble. So with that being said, that is actually what you get here. AgNO3 is quote unquote an exception, because as you'd actually find out, silver is typically, like silver compounds are typically insoluble, but exactly, nitrates, like, I don't care what you are as a metal, you're going to dissolve in water. So that's why I like to memorize, at least with the nitrate end. If it's not nitrate, then you kind of have to start deciding based on what the cation is. So exactly, silver is typically insoluble in most things. So if you have like silver chloride, as they do mention here, where is it? Yep, silver chloride is insoluble. So those are examples of some salts that are insoluble in water. But exactly, when it comes to nitrate, nitrate rules all and says, I frankly don't care what you are as a cation, you're going to dissolve in water, and that's that. With that being said, let's move on to question